Just looking around. And look at, he's looking for you.
I'm right here. Joey. Hi. See my salami?
What do you like better, salami or turkey?
If you look salami, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Yay! Yay!
If you like Auntie Maria, better raise your hand.
If you look Auntie Angela, raise your hand. Yay!
No, Maria.
Angela.
Maria. Raise your hand. Yay! Yay!